What are you doing, Seth? Your videotape you.
Videotape me?
Yeah. Think you can pick up a hot bitch in this one?
Huh?
You think you can pick you up a hot bitch?
I don't know, it'd be warm, but I would like to at least have one that's maybe a large. Cause see, look, the sweater would definitely not fit.
Fat guy in a little coat.
It's not that big.
Well, there's another one over here. Go look in the mirror behind you.
Wait, does it look big? Or does it look too small?
Yeah?
Yeah. Huh? It does look too small?
I mean, it's okay if you have skinny jeans and all, but then, you know, you can't.
I got what?
You can't be like
Are you videotaping me?
wearing skinny stuff, like your shirt, your pants, and your coat.
You make fun of me now?
You're just trying to make other things look a different size.
What other thing? My boy.
Your boy, your homeboy.
I don't need to make that look another size.
Anyways, gotta go.